Think you know Jamaica? Think again. We're diving deep into a part of the island where time seems to slow down and every corner holds a new adventure. Ever wonder what happens when you trade your alarm clock for the sound of river falls? This is Jamaica, unfiltered. It's day 19 of our 30-day Jamaica tour. Now, you might think you've seen all the beauty Jamaica has to offer, but trust me, we're just getting started. We're about to trade in the usual tourist spots for a day filled with giant art, hidden waterfalls, and a little bit of natural spa treatment. First up, we're heading to a place that just feels different. A place where art meets nature in the most beautiful way, Jamaica Giants. Now this isn't your typical museum. It's an outdoor gallery and art museum on a property with thousands of acres of unspoiled tropical forest. The moment you get here, you feel it. It's this seamless merger of art and nature with stunning mountain views all around. I arrived a little early, so the tour guide wasn't there, but that was a blessing in disguise. I actually got to meet the sculptor, Fitzroy Russell, and he told me all about the place. Turns out, a businessman named Ricky Jackson bought the property and asked Fitzroy Russell and a painter named Bruce Allen to create works of art to share with the community. They're all good friends who have known each other for a long time, and none of the artwork is for sale. And get this, both Mr. Russell and Mr. Allen are graduates of what is now the Edna Manley School of Art. They both spent time living abroad and later came back home to continue their work. The whole place is a vibe. You've got sculptures by Fitzroy Russell all over the property and 2 indoor galleries with paintings by Bruce Allen. I even got to watch Mr. Russell work on a new piece. There are so many spots where you can just sit down and soak up the art and nature. Talk about a moment of serenity. It's a small fee to get in, but trust me, it's worth it for the inspiration alone. Now, after all that artistic beauty, it was time for some natural beauty. So, I hopped in the car and headed to a spot that feels like a secret garden, Benta River Falls. This place is a whole mood, like a hippie commune with open land and birds just roaming free. It's a family-owned spot in Westmoreland, and it is a hidden gem for real. My guide, Jati, took me on an adventure up the 7 cascading waterfalls, just like you would at Dunn's River. But this felt more personal, more refreshing. We also did a limestone mud bath, and y'all, my skin felt amazing afterward. We were climbing, we were laughing, we were just enjoying the river and chatting. This place is an all-in-one adventure. They've got rope swings, cliff jumping, and even a huge open space for camping if you want to stay a while. An entrance fee is the key to unlocking all this fun. And if you get hungry, they've got a restaurant and bar to keep you fueled up. So there you have it. Day 19 was all about seeing Jamaica through a different lens. From the powerful, creative energy of Jamaica Giants to the cool, refreshing vibes of Benta River Falls. We went from being surrounded by incredible art to climbing beautiful waterfalls, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. Until next time, stay blessed and keep exploring. Let me know in the comments below where we should visit next.